We live in a time of challenge. The world requires us to be at the forefront of innovation in a fast-moving environment where only excellence succeeds. We are pioneers, manufacturers and service providers. We work as engineers, craftsmen, pilots. We shape our aircrafts from conception to operation as masters of every required skill. We take safety, reliability, and efficiency to their heights, rising to meet the challenges of precision, responsibility, and performance. Together, we are creating the smart industry of tomorrow. We support your projects and convey your ambitions. We strengthen our capabilities and broaden our view of the world. We are at the forefront of the digital revolution as it carries the promise of the industry of the future, a reinvented industry. We are the reference in tomorrow's world. Our company is united and forward-looking, convinced that beyond the horizon, a new era of achievements is opening. The way ahead is clear. We are Daher, and we will succeed together.